Ginger powder. Material needed: ginger, granulated sugar, lemongrass, water. Tools needed: knife, cutting board, bucket, brush, blender. Filter, napkins, container holds juice, spatula, skillet, sifter. Steps: prepare a brush and bucket for washing the ginger. Clean the ginger with water.
Brush the ginger to clean the dirt stuck to the old ginger skin. Rinse it with the running water. Drain the washed ginger. Then peel the ginger skin using a knife. Cut the ginger using a sharp knife on a cutting board. Try to make the ginger pieces small or thin. Wash the cut ginger cuttings.
Next, prepare the ginger that has been cut and washed. Then add it to the blender, little by little. Add 50–75 ml of clean water to make smoothing easier. Turn on the blender and blend the ginger until smooth. When it is smooth, turn off the blender. Squeeze the ginger using a clean cloth and filter the bottom. Leave the ginger juice in the container for at least 15 minutes. After that, add the filter liquid ginger extra into the pan. Add granulated sugar ratio 1:1 and crushed lemongrass to stalks for 1 kilogram ginger. Turn on the stove and heat over medium heat while continuing to stir. Remove the lemongrass stalks once the liquid boils. Reduce the heat. If the liquid has coagulated, foam appears. Stir continuously until crystallization occurs, turns into powder. Sift the ginger powder that hasn't passed through the blender until smooth.
The powder is ready, and put it in the product storage container.